Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Allove, and today I'm going to be taming this hair. As you can see, it's very puffy. I literally just combed it out. This is some loose wave hair from Allove Hair. I really love this texture. I can't wait to show y'all how it's going to look once I tame these curls. I'm going to be doing the wet look on this hair so we can get it, you know, nice and sleek. If you guys want to see how I made this wig and installed it in my head, go ahead and look in the description box because I will have the link down below. This also is my first frontal ever. How did I do, y'all? How did I do? Hopefully I mastered this next look. If you guys are interested in seeing how I get the wet look on some loose wave hair, go ahead and keep on watching. So y'all, I'm only going to be using a couple of products. I'm going to be using some Lotta Body Mousse. I went out and purchased some more Eco Styler gel. I have a spray bottle with some water in it. I'm missing one more product. And I also have some Cantu curling cream. So I want this to be like a side part swoop, like a deep little bang looking thing. So I'm just gonna part that with my fingers. I want this to be as natural as possible. So I don't want like a precise part. Just, you know, push it to the side. What my girls say, to the left, to the left. That's my right, but y'all left. Y'all get it, y'all get it. So this is the way that I want it to lay once we're finished. So I'm just gonna twist this side out the way because this is a lot of hair to work with. It's finally 2020. Let me know how y'all year is starting off already. What plans do y'all have for the new year? 2020 perfect vision. Y'all gotta be on it. No slacking. Like y'all gotta get together, sis. So I'm starting off by spraying water on it because once like I put the mousse to like set the curls in place, I don't want to put a lot to where it's like really sticky. So the water is going to help form the curls first so we can just get a head start. Yeah, I never had loose wave hair before and I really love the curl pattern on this hair. It is so pretty. Like it's not a real tight curl. It's like very natural looking and wavy, and I think it's gonna look so bomb with the like wet look. Make sure when you do this look you have on clothes that you do not care about. So I have on like this big t-shirt and I really don't care about it getting wet or messy. Do not try to attempt to do your hair like this with your clothes on, sis. Think you're gonna walk out the door? No ma'am. Y'all, I think I just made a mistake and sprayed the front of my hair, baby. We're gonna be sliding back. So y'all, I forgot to mention that I'm gonna be using this olive oil serum as well. Just wanted to throw that out there. I'm gonna use a small amount of the coconut curling cream. I'm not gonna use a lot of this because I've already styled this hair before. So I know that there's some leftover product still on the hair, so I'm not gonna use a lot. So what I've noticed about like applying product, the best way to do it and distribute it easily and evenly is to start at the bottom and work your way up with the leftover product on your hand. So y'all, next I'm gonna go in with some mousse. Oh shoot. So y'all, I know at the end of like December I was like posting back to back and y'all were getting used to the videos coming and keep coming. They're gonna continue to be like that. Like I said in my previous video, I'm going to be on a schedule from here on out. There's a lot been going on. I know this like it's my grind year. I need to be on it. It's 2020, but sometimes life throws obstacles at you and things happen. So I had to take a breather, take a step back and focus on me for a little while. So that's why I haven't been making videos. I kind of took like a little slight break, vacation away from YouTube and making videos just to get my mental health back on track. But I'm here, I'm great. So y'all finna see these videos coming more consistently. It's finna be some bangers, sis. When I tell y'all, I'm gonna have some heat coming because all of that time that I spent away, I had videos already planned to drop. So those videos are gonna be dropping. So before I go in with the gel, I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this olive oil serum on here. So like I was saying, I'm gonna put some of this oil on here just for when it dries, before I put the gel on it, just so it can have a little shine to it and it won't be like real crunchy, and it'll stay a little bit soft. Y'all, I can already tell this is gonna be so cute. What y'all think? Like, these curls are so bomb. I love their loose wave. Like, these curls are it, sis. So now for the Eco Styler gel, I'm not gonna put a whole lot because I don't want it to be real crunchy, but I do want my curls to stay, and that's why I kind of put like some water in it, because you know that gel with the water, when it mixes together, it just forms like a, I don't know, a barrier that is out this world. I don't know what it is, but it's like gel and water, they just go together. Like when you're doing your ponytail, you put that gel on there and you spray some water and you brush it up, baby, it be it. I'm sorry. Adding a little bit more gel. I'm gonna start from the bottom and then go up. So just gonna shake those curls a little, get them formed. Now we're gonna start on the other side. Back to what I was saying, like about me and where I've been. I am human just like y'all. I am a normal person with a normal life that have normal responsibilities, normal everyday problems just like y'all. So sometimes it's okay to take a mental break. That's just like if you're working a 9 to 5, you have your own business. Like, you know, sometimes you just want to take a vacation, take a couple of days off of work and just get your mind right. Like, sometimes you just have to stop and think and be like, what's best for me? Should I continue until I just run out and be dry, or I just lay to rest, get my mind right, get myself together, and, you know, come back stronger? So, ooh, I'm spraying this stuff everywhere. Welcome all my new subscribers. I love y'all. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to click that bell so you can get notified once I upload new videos, period. I cannot wait for us to get into this year, into these videos. Y'all are gonna be like, whoa. Speaking of videos and things to come, I know y'all see my background. It's a little, you know, ratchet, a little raunchy. It's been like that for the past couple of videos. I am sorry, but I have something going on behind the scenes for my YouTube and recording area. So stay tuned for that. That's something that y'all can look forward to. I just gave y'all the D's on something I have not spoke on, so there you go. So about this hair, I constructed this wig. They did send me 3 bundles in the frontal. When I made this wig, I did cut the tracks. It's shedding. I know all hair sheds, but I don't know if it's because I cut the tracks. So hopefully if I work with this company again in the future, I'm not gonna cut the tracks. And then I'm gonna see like if it sheds. I know most of the time when you cut the tracks on your hair, you're gonna experience shedding, but I don't know if that is the reason. So I just wanted to throw that out there. If you guys are interested in buying this hair, just keep that in mind. But far as the curl pattern and the curls itself, it's like real bomb, super cute. I actually love it. And it doesn't take much to form them. I can't wait to get my new YouTube setup going on. This is not my normal setup, so don't get used to it, sis. It's gonna be so pretty, so lit. Y'all, I can't wait. And I really feel like I'm behind because it's so much that I gotta tell y'all, but I don't want to spoil it. I want when the video drop, y'all gonna be like, what? Y'all gonna love it. Y'all gonna love it. So to finish off the little wet look and, you know, seal everything in place, I'm gonna get some more mousse and I'm like rub it against the top because I want it to be like the real sleek wet look. I'm trying not to get it on the front of my hair so my frontal won't come up, but we're gonna lay all this down. This is my hair, sis, period. This is such a super clean, natural, sleek, dope look. I love it. I love these curls, sis. If you are interested in trying out this hair is from Allove Hair. I'll have all of the information linked down below in the description box, so check it out. Bye.